Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Doing something a little different today. Wife is helping my oldest daughter do some painting in her house, so I thought it'd be a good day to just take the puppies out for a little run. They haven't been out for a while, so just drove up this little mountain road here. I usually take them out whenever I can. They really love it out here, so. And here's the puppies. Come on, puppies. Hey, come on over. Yeah, come on over. Yeah. And this one right here, sit. 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 This one right here, that's Raven. She's a 6-year-old border lab cross. Sit, Raven. Sit. Sit. And that's Mika. Mika is a 10-year-old. And she is apparently a 1/3 lab, 1/3 husky, and 1/3 shepherd cross. You say hi to everybody, Mika? And there's Raven. They love it out here. I was thinking we'd just take a little walk up this mountain meadow here. Let the puppies have a little run. And go check out the lake. Looks a little squishy out there, Raven. Hey, this is beautiful. Look at all the beautiful little mountain flowers. Nice cool down spot. Nice, good job, girl. Yeah? Alright, everybody. No, it's not one of my typical videos, but I just thought it'd be a fun day out. Play with the drone again. Puppies got out to play a little bit, run around in the mountains. So, I don't know. I think it was fun. It's a good day. Great way to pass some time. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next one. Good job. Good job. Yay.